under the Time tab, we have the Approve Time link, and we also have it under the Expense tab for Approve Expense. Once you enter these screens, they are pretty much identical and the process is identical. So in this example, I'm going to be opening up Approve Time. Please also note that account admins can approve time regardless of whether or not they have been listed under the approvers list. So this link will also only be visible to those timekeepers who have been marked as the time approver in the Manage Approvers section if they are not the account admin. Here we have a search bar where you can search for entries to whittle results down if it's a long list, and you can approve or reject from here by clicking on the checkboxes or click on the topmost checkbox to approve or reject all collectively. And then we have the public comments section here where you can type in public comments, which basically means that these will be viewable to all of the firm users. And then we have a private comments field here that is viewable only to the approver. The only exception here is if the user you are approving time for is listed as an administrator, they will be able to see the private comments. And the account admin will be able to see both public and private comments. And then the document icon here will show you the time entry details to review, and then we have a approval history icon here to show if there is any previous history where you can see any previous approvers activity on this entry. And then we have the save button here at the bottom. So this will submit any approvals or rejections, and the user will be notified by email, which will include any public comments. Users can also view the rejected time entry details at the bottom of the time entry screen.